Welcome to our channel. Today we how to integrate Shopify with Softr for product portals. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, log in to your Shopify account. Navigate to your Shopify dashboard. Click on the Apps section on the left menu. In the Apps section, search for the Softr integration. Once you find the Softr app, click to install it. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. After installation, you'll be directed to the Softr settings page. Log into your Softr account or create a new one if needed. In Softr, select the option to create a new app. Choose the product portal template from the available options. Next, connect your Shopify store by entering your Shopify store URL. Authorize the integration by following the provided instructions. Once connected, return to the Softr dashboard. Begin customizing your product portal to fit your needs. Choose the products you want to display from your Shopify store. Add features like filters, search bars, and categories as desired. Preview your product portal to ensure it looks and functions correctly. Finally, publish your Softr product portal to make it live. Your Shopify store is now seamlessly integrated with Softr. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.